Good morning students. Today I will teach you a topic of uses of computers. This is for the class 4th. Computers are one of the most versatile inventions by humankind so far. Undoubtedly they have proved advantage in many fields. As you all know that computers are nowadays it is used in each and every field like school, home, hospital, airway, railway stations, post office, library. So these all are the field. Now I will teach you some field where computers are used in this video. You can see the education. The screen on which you are reading this is a live testimony of uses of computer in the field of education. The internet is flooded with the educational website which make the learning within the reach of the mouse click. You know very well that in education field in computer are very important role. You are now watching this my video through the internet on the computer or mobile. So you are know very well that education field computer are giving very important role. You can see here the picture of the education. Two person are giving the training through the computer learning. So this is the computer screen and they are teaching through the internet. So this is the important role of education. Second is medicine. One of the very significant advantages of technology is its contribution to the field of medicine. Computers have become the core of modern healthcare, like ECG, MRI, CT scans, etc. are some example of this uses. You can see here are a hospital room where doctors are using machines like ECG, CT scan. So these all machines are using the computer system. In field of sports, computers are also important role. They are used for keeping the track, updation and real-time calculation of scores. Here you can see the example of sports. This is the board of scoring of cricket match. So in this cricket match board, they are using computer system. Banking. In banking field also computer give very important part. A field responsible as banking demand diligence and hence computer has come to the rescue. They are used to speedy calculation of monetary funds, coordination between banks, net banking, etc. Nowadays you are know that we are using the banking, online banking system, net banking, online shopping. So these all are the very important of computer part. Entertainment. Entertainment is also a uses of computer system. You can see that this is the child. He is playing a games on the computer system. You know that when we are getting bored, we are using computer to play games, listening to music, surfing the internet and play on more of the purpose. So this is the entertainment. In defense, there are also using the computer. Computer have found the utilizations of defense as well. They coordinate the working of fighter jets, ballistic missile. Computer system have formed the foundation of modern radar system. You can see the picture here are the defense. Computer are very important role. Now weather forecasting. Suppose we want to know the weather conditions, so we are using the computer. Basically supercomputers are used for checking the weather. Supercomputers have come to add the performing such precise calculations and measurement. So computers are using. You can see here a picture of weather forecasting. Different countries weather are coming on the screen through the computer only. So these all are uses possibly through the computer only. So in computer is using in each and every field. Now quiz time. First, what is the use of computer in defense? What is the use of computer in sports? and name any 3 places where computer in use. Except this video, you can also write the places. Thank you to watching this video.